Here's a detailed and structured explanation of metronidazole, tailored for healthcare professionals, nursing students, or anyone seeking comprehensive pharmacological information. 1. Basic information. Generic name, metronidazole. Drug class, nitroimidazole antibiotic. Antiprotozoal agent, antibacterial, specific to anaerobic organisms. Available drug forms: tablets, 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams, capsules, intravenous IV, injection vials, 500 milligrams, 100 milliliters, topical, creams, gels, lotions, 0.755%, vaginal, gel, 0.5% in applicator tubes. Brand names: Flagyl Oral IV, Metrogel, Metro Cream, Noritate topical, Vandazole, Nuvessa, vaginal gel. Definition: metronidazole is a synthetic antibiotic and antiprotozoal agent primarily used to treat infections caused by anaerobic bacteria and protozoa. It is effective against infections in the gastrointestinal tract, reproductive organs, skin, and other tissues. 3. Mechanism of action. Metronidazole is a prodrug, which means it becomes active only after entering the microbial cell. Under anaerobic conditions, it undergoes reduction by intracellular electron transport proteins. The reduced form binds to microbial DNA, leading to disruption of DNA synthesis, strand breakage, inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. This results in cell death in susceptible organisms, bactericidal and protozoacidal, especially in anaerobic environments. 4 indications, therapeutic uses: infectious diseases, amoebiasis, giardiasis, trichomoniasis, Clostridium difficile colitis, bacterial vaginosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, intra-abdominal infections, dental infections and abscesses, aspiration pneumonia, peritonitis, septicemia due to anaerobes. H. pylori infections as part of triple or quadruple therapy for peptic ulcers, dermatological, rosacea, topical form. Surgical prophylaxis, especially for colorectal surgery or gynecologic procedures. 5. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to metronidazole or other nitroimidazoles, use with alcohol or within 3 days of alcohol consumption, concurrent use with disulfiram within the last 2 weeks. First trimester of pregnancy, especially for trichomoniasis, severe hepatic impairment, caution advised. 6. Before taking this medicine, precautions: inform your healthcare provider if you have liver disease, kidney dysfunction, neurological disorders, e.g. seizures, peripheral neuropathy, blood disorders, e.g. leukopenia, alcohol dependency, pregnancy or breastfeeding. Avoid alcohol and propylene glycol products to prevent disulfiram-like reactions. Monitor liver function and complete blood counts in prolonged therapy. Long-term use requires monitoring for neurotoxicity. 7. How to use. Oral form, take with or without food. Swallow tablets or capsules whole with water. Do not crush unless advised. IV form, administered by healthcare professionals. Infuse slowly over 30 to 60 minutes. Topical, skin or vaginal. Clean and dry the affected area before application. Apply a thin layer once or twice daily. Use vaginal applicator as directed. 8. Dosing information. Adults, general guidance. Condition, dose, duration. Giardiasis. Bacterial vaginosis. 500 milligrams orally D or 0.75% gel intravaginal 5 to 7 days. Trichomoniasis. 2 gain orally once or 500 milliliter BID 1 to 7 days. Giardiasis. 250 milligrams orally TI'd 5 to 7 days. Amoebiasis, intestinal, liver, 500 to 750 milligrams TI'd 7 to 10 days. Anaerobic infections, systemic, 500 milligrams IV PO every 8 hours, 7 to 14 days. H. pylori eradication, 500 milligrams TI'd as part of triple therapy, 10 to 14 days. Rosacea, topical, apply once or twice daily, long-term, as advised. Always follow the healthcare provider's prescribed regimen. 9. Misdose, overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. If near the time for the next dose, skip it. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: nausea, vomiting, seizures, peripheral neuropathy, ataxia, loss of coordination, confusion or dizziness. Action: seek emergency medical attention or contact Poison Control Center. 10. Stop or avoid taking if Allergic reaction, rash, itching, swelling, breathing difficulty, neurotoxicity signs, seizures, confusion, vision issues, numbness, severe gastrointestinal upset if alcohol is consumed during therapy. 11. Side effects, in detail, and are common. Metallic taste, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, anorexia, loss of appetite, abdominal cramping, headache, dizziness, dark or reddish-brown urine, harmless. Serious, peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness, pain, seizures or convulsions, encephalopathy, confusion, lethargy, liver dysfunction, jaundice, hepatitis, blood dyscrasias, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, hypersensitivity reactions, rash, anaphylaxis. Topical vaginal, skin irritation or burning, vaginal dryness, irritation, discharge. 12 vital information, patient counseling tips. Avoid alcohol during and for 3 days after the last dose. Complete full course even if symptoms improve. Report neurological symptoms, tingling, confusion. Inform physician if you notice seizures, dizziness, unsteady gait. Can cause temporary darkening of urine. This is harmless. Pregnancy category B, except in first trimester for trichomoniasis. Avoid. 13. Drug interactions. Other drugs will affect metronidazole. Major interactions. Interacting drug, effect consequence. Alcohol. Disulfiram-like reaction, nausea, vomiting, flushing. Warfarin, enhanced anticoagulant effect, bleeding risk. Disulfiram, psychosis, confusion, avoid for 2 weeks before/after. Lithium, risk of lithium toxicity, monitor levels closely. Phenytoin phenobarbital, metronidazole levels, enzyme induction. Cimetidine, metronidazole levels, enzyme inhibition. Cyclosporine, nephrotoxicity, monitor renal function. Fluorouracil, increased toxicity of 5-FU. Thank you. Have a nice day.